Hi, in this video we are going to discuss what to do next after creating 12 videos to make money on YouTube. In the previous videos I showed you why you need to create 12 videos. Just to recap, it is to gain the trust of Google to help you to rank number 1 as fast as possible. Sometimes you can rank within 24 hours after the publication of your video. Now you just have to do this. There is no other way. You cannot get around it. What you need to do now is to start creating more videos, but with problem-solving content. You are solving problems around your product. The trick here is to create 10 more videos and post them onto YouTube. This is to help you to get a better ranking on Google. Now, how to do this is you need to search for the product keyword now, and you have to make sure it is a buying keyword. So you use a keyword that people are searching for. To do that, we can go to Google. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, we are on Google now, and I'm going to use ConvertKit as an example to show you how I search for keywords. Now, ConvertKit is typed in here, and then after that you put a space. Now, your alternate keywords will come up here. And you will see on this one, ConvertKit pricing, there's 5,400 per month searches on that keyword alone. So this is a good keyword to use. ConvertKit login is not a good keyword because anybody that searches for this keyword already has ConvertKit and they need to log into their account. ConvertKit affiliate is a good keyword, and this is another good keyword, ConvertKit landing page, if you need to show people how to use a landing page on ConvertKit. Now this is not all. This is not all the keywords that you can get. There are many more. And to do that, you type an A behind that. You will see more keywords will come up now. And thereafter, you can put a B in and more keywords will come up. So you can go through the alphabet. A nice tool that I'm also using is Keywords Everywhere. This is it. It's not a free tool, but it is very, very cheap. I think it's $10 a year or something like that, or you have to pay for certain searches. I've got 82,000 credits left here. And what this tool is doing, you can also switch it on and off here. What this tool is doing is when you type in a keyword like this, for instance, then all this just behind the keywords, it will show you the monthly searches and what the keyword worth is and the competition. So it's a very nice tool to use. If I scroll down, you can see the keywords here as well. So there are more keywords here that you can use now. And also people search for this type of keywords. Now, this keyword that has the 0 ranking, this is a keyword that you need to make videos about so that you can rank for. This is the videos that you will rank for easily. And if you rank for that, that is how you get the trust of Google. This is a short video and video number 5 in my 10-part series. In the next video, I will discuss your clickable hook and video structure. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so that you can be notified when my next video is launched. See you in the next video.